there, man. There's snow on the road. There's a car over there. Look at all these trees. It's so gnarly and dangerous that Steve's taking extra precaution and using one hand to drive. And looking at the music player to make sure the right song's playing, just so we don't wreck. That's how gnarly it is outside. Let's roll through a stop sign, because that's how gnarly it is. See you later, stop sign.
Fuck, I wish it was better. It's snowing like a motherfucker. We got like another inch of snow every, like, I don't know, it's like an hour an inch or something like that. We got Brandon with his 1980s fucking snow shovel. What do you do with that shovel there, Brandon? Tell the kiddies at home what it's like to be a crewman.
Cold and frozen up, it's really hard to use, so it slips.
It does what?
It starts slipping.
Yeah.
When it gets cold and you can't use it, like I'm trying. So you gotta put a little friction on it.
Yeah.
You gotta warm it up. Let's do one of these. Get it going. I got enough speed, man. Let's pay attention through the camera though.